Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Marshall Stanmore second generation speaker with your iPhone. First of all, we have to power on the speaker by holding this button until this indicator turns on. Next we have to switch by source, so click on the button to get the Bluetooth and then click and hold it. There we go. Right now on your iPhone, go to the settings, open the Bluetooth, then turn it on by tapping on the switcher. Select your Stanmore second generation speaker. There we go, and right now when you are connected, you can also get the application from the App Store. So click on the search pool and get the Marshall app. Yeah, we have to get this one, the Marshall Bluetooth. So let's get it. Okay, and as you can see right now, you have to open this application, or click OK, click Next. Yeah, we have to click also right here to accept this stuff. We can skip the update and sharing data, so we don't have to input this stuff. Click to add the new device and select your Stanmore second generation speaker. Click to get started, tap done, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.